In this video, I'll show you how to create videos that are currently going very viral on social media. Camera movement, storyboard to video, live action, theater show, and a very impactful trend called You. Every single day, we are hit by countless viral videos, but making an AI video actually go viral is not as simple as it looks. You guys agree with me, right? It has to be something creative, impactful, and sometimes even exaggerated. Like, for example, traveling back in time. Hey, trust me on this one. You do not want to get on that ship.
What?
This has been a really viral video style on social media lately. The idea is pretty interesting. You generate an image, preferably a wide one, draw a path that you want the camera to follow, and generate the video. Pretty cool, right? This was a test I did in a recent video here on the channel, but I ran other tests and have something very important to say about this hack. For this, I'll use this image. It's not very wide, but it'll be great for understanding whether the camera will correctly follow the path it should take. To add the path, you can choose your preferred software or even do it in Paint. Then, just add it as a reference along with the prompt. Depending on your idea, the prompt can get quite lengthy, but it's extremely important that you ask to remove all the red lines from the image. After that, just generate it with Seedance, which is without a doubt the best option for this type of video. Let's see how it turned out. Okay, it correctly followed the arrows I added. But if you notice, my prompt got quite long because I needed to detail everything that should happen at each moment of the video. But if I already mentioned at the beginning of the prompt that the red arrows indicate the path the camera needs to follow, let's see what the result will be if I keep only that instruction in the prompt. Wow, the movement was completely the opposite, and it also forgot to pet the golden. In summary, the arrows give the AI extra support to understand your movement idea, but without the detailed prompt, the results can surprise you negatively. Another very viral video style is storyboard-to-video, which basically consists of generating an image of a storyboard with several takes and then turning it into a video. To take advantage of the World Cup vibe, I generated this storyboard, 10 takes in a single image, anime style, with several details. This will be the prompt I'll use to generate the video with Seedance. Let's see the result. Pretty cool. It followed each take of the storyboard really well and created great animations. But now, let's use this image, a storyboard of a Coca-Cola commercial. It'll be a great test to see if this style works well for realistic videos. Impressive. It's truly incredible how many different scenes you can generate in a single video using just one image as reference. This can save you a lot of time without needing to generate several images separately. This one, you've definitely seen at some point on your feed. It's really fun to imagine and create your own live action of your favorite series, cartoon, or anime, which is why this video style is so viral on social media. And the process to create it is even more fun. First, you need to define which theme you'll cover. I'll choose the Naruto universe. Then, you need to choose the characters and who will be the actor representing each one. These were the ones I chose, since I think they match the anime characters well, and that's really important. For example, I chose Sydney Sweeney to be Tsunade because their eyes look very similar.
Oh my God!
We need to generate the images with GPT Image 2. Keep in mind that no reference image is needed, just the prompt. These were the prompts I used to generate each image. After that, we need to generate a video separately for each image using Grok Imagine Video 1.5, since it's the best option for generating videos with famous people. The prompt structure will be the same for each character. After generating the videos, just put them together in a video editor, add a music track, and the video is done.
Tom, over here! Hey everyone! To the left, smile! Believe it! One more, right side. The legendary Jiraiya is here. I love this attention. Keep those flashes coming. This is the greatest moment of my life. Feel the power of youth. Unstoppable.
This viral style is the one that shows up the most for me right now. Since the video looks very realistic, it generates a lot of comments from people thinking it's real, some complaining that it's AI, and others simply enjoying the video. And yes, I also found it sensational. That's why I'm going to show you how to do it. These were the prompts I used to generate each image. To generate the video, it's the same process as always. Attach the image as reference, add the prompt, and generate the video. Let's see how it turned out. Wow, great results. It's truly impressive how much it looks like a real theater performance video, but with a lot of special effects. I hope one day this becomes reality. To wrap things up, I'll show you how to create this very impactful viral video style where you put a younger and older version of the same person face to face as if they're about to face off. Pretty impactful, right? The most common thing is to see videos in this style with famous people, which is why I'll use myself instead. I'll use this older photo of me and this image of my current version as reference. Wow, I look much better today. This time, let's structure the prompt a little differently, specifying each image with @ This will further reinforce which version of me needs to appear at each moment. This is a shorter video, so 10 seconds is enough. After generating it, you just need to add the audio from this trend to your video. It will be right here on FlashBoards for download, along with everything we've created so far. Let's see how it turned out.
Congratulations, you're moving to the next level. Your next opponent is you.
Wow, pretty cinematic, right? In case you want to access the board with everything we generated in this video, it's pretty simple. I'll explain it to you. Open FlashBoards, click on this Boards tab, then on this package icon, and that's it. To see the prompt I used to generate each video, just double-click on the desired video, and it will appear here in the right corner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. See you in the next one. When did I decide to dye my hair like this?